My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Audi A4. This vehicle has done just under 66,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On our screen we can access navigation, smartphone integration, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our 3-zone climate control. And if we press our drive select button, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.